Jalagi Inimone he. Let's talk Cherokee.
The Cherokee syllabary is the writing system invented by Sequoyah. Each character represents a syllable in the Cherokee language. In this syllabary chart, the top row contains the 6 vowel sounds. The subsequent rows include the consonant sounds.
Qua,
Qua,
peach, quana,
Quana,
que,
Que,
guinea, gu que,
Gu Que,
que,
Kui,
Peter, guida,
Guida,
quo,
Quo,
robin, cheese quaquo,
Ji Squaw,
quo,
Ku,
one, sagu,
Sagu,
qua,
Qua,
forgot, agua kewa.
Agua Kewa,
I forgot what I went to get at the store. Agua kewa,
Agua Kewa,
iusti,
Iusti,
agihala sa
Agiela Sai,
idana
Didana I,
chiwi geda.
Jiwi Geda,